Hello guys, today we're going to disassemble the MP7 A1 AEG. Starting with the simple things, we need some tools, screwdriver, some of those. Okay, let's begin with the easy things. Okay, next step is we have to loosen these screws. This one is a fake one, so the one right above the grip. You don't have to screw that out. So, now you can see some of the parts. Next step is to unscrew those two. These hold everything together back there. So now we have to loosen this screw on the top also, so we can pull out the back piece. Nice, okay. And now we can pull out the entire back piece. Pop out these pins. So, yeah, my MP7 my collapsible shaft broke into many pieces. It's made of some cheap ass steel, not forged steel or anything, just, I don't know, raw iron or something. It's really shitty. So, as you have to put them back in order. The red wire, you see here's the grip. The red wire goes in front on the right side, and the black wire on the back on the left side. Make a photo before you disassemble these tools. You will get a problem if you reconnect them wrongly. You will kill your gun probably. So next step is we have to loosen this spring. Why am I trying it so hard so? Make sure it doesn't fly away. So, as you see, we have disassembled the whole engine block, and now we can just pull it out on the back. But before we can do that, we have to pull out those spacers like that. And now we can just pull out the motor. Yeah, why not? That thing was fuck that thing. Don't need you. Go back in there. So nice. If you do what I did and just keep the magazine inside, the barrel stays right where it should be. But if you want to do something on the barrel, just pop out the magazine and then you can push in the barrel, and then it pops out right here. Yeah, maybe a little bit light can help there. That's how the gun looks from the inside. So yeah, that's the part I need to fix. Like I said, if you want to get out the barrel and the hop up, you just drop out the magazine and the barrel drops out. I found the problem with the hop up. That's this little piece here. Normally here's a screw with a disc, like a little gear, like something like this, just smaller. And this presses this lever down onto a little rubber piece on the hop-up rubber, and mine was so pinched together that it broke. And I just rotated it so you can see through the barrel again. Can you? You can. Yes, nice. There was a problem with my MP7. It just wouldn't shoot straight. All bullets would just drop onto the floor, like my gun has no 0.0.0.0 joule. It was really annoying, and now that I fixed the rubber, everything is nice again, and I just have to oil this bad bitch up again. Okay, I'm doing that, and then we gonna reconnect all parts. Maybe you can see it? Do you see the little screw there? Yeah, that's right, right there. Yeah, you have to put it right there. It's a little bit shitty, but it's possible. Now you have to put the barrel back in. Very important. The magazine feeder needs to be pointed in the direction where the magazine sits. I know that's hard to guess, but it's just how it is. So drop it in. Make sure it connects with the spring. Nice. Okay, that's in. The next part is the motor, and just oh, fuck. Why the fuck do I have dirt on my table? What's wrong with me? Okay, you see this little lever here? This lever is a semi and full auto, and mine, as you see, is a little bit broken, and I don't know how to fix it, but I know how to fix it in a moment. My gun, when I change from full auto to semi-auto, I have to just give it a little punch, and this little lever pops back in front, and there I have my semi-auto mode again. It's a little weird, I know, but you have to fiddle it in the right way back into this fucking gun. So we do this now. You see, I opened the slit as much as possible. Okay, make sure that these bitches have some texture to it, like this one, so you get more grip. Okay, now we can just let the motor sink in, and now we can look into here, and there we see if the motor sits right or not. If it connects to the barrel, then it sits right, and if you press it down with the index finger like I do, you can just pop the magazine back in, and it stays where it should stay. So the next step I like to take is I put back in this little spacer. This part has to go the bottom of the gun, like this, and then you have this little piece. It has to be like this, and then it has to go right in there. Yep, I think. Yeah, that should work. Nice, okay. Just checking if my semi and my fire mode selector, if it's where it should be. Nice, okay, the cables are back at their spot. So just have to push them a little bit down. The next step is to put this spring back in at the top, like this. I like to put it in first at the back. Oh, that's what she said. And then I just wait, I have to do it like that. It's so annoying to put softwares back together, but I somehow love it anyways. So just like that, the spring is back in. The next piece we have to put in is this one. That's the back plate and the how the fuck it's called, I don't know. The thing you use to open the hop-up thingy. But my hop-up thingy is broken, so I just never have to open it again, which is kinda nice. So you have to put in this little screw again. Don't put it in too hard, because it's just sinked into plastic. I don't know who thought that would be a good idea, but I'm not a manufacturer. Okay, you have to rotate these bolts to fit them in the right way, like these. They have to focus, please. They have to sit very tight, and I like to screw the one I put in first, because sometimes the second one, if it don't enters correctly, it likes to spread apart the whole gun, and that can't be good for the gun, and also it hinders you in reassembling it. Need to assemble. So like that, and the back we have to put in a little bit more pressure, just for safety reasons. Not that it would hurt you, just so it works correctly. Nice, okay. Now we can put on the side plates again, but we really don't need to. So we just put back in the battery, nice, like this, and it should work again. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you in some fucking way. And yeah, maybe see you in the next one.